Isn't it rightly said? Whatever that is written in our destiny is bound to happen. Till the time people need you, they will be sweet to you. But the fact is that people only care about themselves. And as soon as the work is done, they won't be even talking to you. But I am not like that. Because I am an animal. I was only 40 days old when two extremely adorable people with love filled in their hearts entered my life. They put me in a car and got me to their home. I was really small, so couldn't understand much, but eventually understood that this four-legged animal was equal to a son for them. Yes, I am talking about my dearest parents, who named me Love. Love Jobanputra. Isn't it the perfect name? After all, I am here to spread love. I am here today to share a few moments of my life. Here is how warm my mornings are. This is my yummy breakfast and me bathing. Morning and evenings are usually filled with long drives and lots of fun and some mischief. It feels like I'm living in paradise. I get so much love from them always. In fact, now their happiness is my happiness. Mother's love and father's care. From this house, I've got both of this. I've seen this so many times. Wherever we were not allowed to go, those places they would also not go, even if it is a wedding. And if I was sick, then they would not stop worrying. Well, here is a special incident I remember. She was someone I really liked, and once on a Valentine's Day, my parents sent me on a date with her. I was so happy. I can't express in words the joy I felt. My heart was literally singing. आज मैं ऊपर, आसमान नीचे, आज मैं आगे, ज़माना है पीछे. Well, I'm lucky to say I received both. Lots of love and respect at my house. And there can be nothing better than that. The headline of 2020, Coronavirus. A virus which has forced us to leave our daily work and sit at homes. During such time, the animals who depend on humans for food are in condition of pity and hunger. Streets and society, every place is silent. And with all of that going on, the street animals are left hungry. With empty stomach, one can't even bark. Then how will they protect their loved ones? If this goes on, their condition might get worse. But let's not lose hope after all. उम्मीद पे तो दुनिया कायम है. Which is why I thought that I should share my thoughts with all of you. So, for the first time, I am here in front of you with the hope कि इस बेजुबान की जुबानी आप दिल से सुने. Like a everyday routine, that day too, Dad was driving me around in the car. As we were roaming around, I saw few of my brothers on the street. That's when I thought many animals don't have a place that they can call as their home. Not every animal gets the respect that pet animals get. These street dogs, from their childhood, are left on streets in pain and distress. They search for food every day through dustbins, which definitely is not easy but necessary for the survival. Humans are known for wasting food, and they throw this extra food in the dustbins, which becomes food for street animals. The people who are blessed with food on the plate don't even value the food they get. Today is my birthday. Every year on my birthday, my parents make sure that there is a grand celebration. This year, I thought there should be no party, just this video. Through this video, I want to send you all a request. It is said that for any action to turn into your habit, you need to do it continuously for 21 days. So, here is a request for you all to develop a new habit before 2021 starts. My request is that none of my brothers and sisters on the street should sleep empty stomach. If on your way you find any animal, then give them a little love and food. We animals cannot speak, but we do have a lot of emotions, and your love, food and care means a lot to us.
Three. 5 plus 3. 6 minus 2.
There is no living being as loyal as us. Our smell power is our superpower. Even the police take help from us. Some people are scared of us, and some people can't speak when they see us. And in case we get angry and bite you, you get to take 14 injections. Even the Jyotish say, feed food to the dogs and let your destiny shine. We are known to take away all the negative energy from you. And as you all already know, even humans cannot be as loyal as us. To upgrade their social status, some people buy pets by giving a lot of money. People consider us as an object of playing or as a pastime for themselves. But do they actually consider us as a part of the family? It is often seen as we get old and sick, we are left on the road. But there are some good-hearted people who bring us up like their own kids. And once you consider us as a part of your family, the bond and the love becomes so strong that even if offered crore of rupees, they would not leave us. Are you all seeing me? Are you all listening to me? Are you all understanding me? A big thank you to all of you, because many people unsee us even after seeing us. They are scared of us and we are scared of them. Many times people change their paths when they see us, or even throw stones at us. During such situations, many NGOs helping healing and feeding the dogs. They shower us with love and care. Looking at them work so hard for us, our hearts are filled with pride and our heads bow down to them. In today's world, everything is usually very unpure, but our love is extremely pure. A dog is the only being on earth that loves you more than he loves himself. If we read from one side, we can read God, G-O-D, and from other side, the same word says dog, D-O-G. Because the way God loves us unconditionally, in the same way, dogs too love unconditionally. We dogs don't see that the person who is taking care of us is rich or poor, small or big, but only if they love us or not. We are also kids of the same God that you are. Our birth is also as normal as human birth. Then why this discrimination? Through the medium of this video, I would request you all to shower some love on animals. Any animal who lives around your society, take care of them. Show care to them. I love Jobanputra. I am very lucky to have such a family. It is rightly said, I may be a part of your life, but for me, you are my entire life. I don't know how many of you believe in rebirth, but if you have the opportunity in this life to do some good work and karma, then please do so. At the end, I would like to say that we are just hungry for your love. All we need is your love. Will you give that to us? From love.